Let me know when it's done. Good. Very good. I want a very clean job. I mean a very clean job and untraceable. Listen, let me tell you. I don't want a trace. I repeat, I do not want any trace at all. Do what you're supposed to do and find your way out of there immediately. If you succeed, you will be rewarded handsomely by me. Good. Do what you're supposed to do and earn more grounds. Thank you. Once again, I wish you good luck.
Very soon, your reign will soon come to an end. Yes, you will understand better when you get to hell that you can only have smarts because, yes, I, Chico King, must bring you down. I must bring you down. That's the works.
And
you will die very slowly, and I shall feed your tiny body to the vultures. Speak the truth and leave my father's palace in peace. Who sent you to kill my father?
I swear to God, I don't know what you're talking about, my princess. How can I kill my king? I mean, I have been but a humble servant. What to earn my reward, my princess? This is all but a misconception. I have served my country, His Majesty, for a long time. I cannot kill my king, my princess.
A day begins an evil. A man's heart is his top secret, and no one knows what is inside. I will feed the vultures your body if you try to play smart on me. Patrick, tell me, who sent you to kill my father, the king?
My princess. I don't know what you're talking about, my princess. I don't know what you're talking about. I can't even swear to the gods by that. I can swear by the gods.
Liar! Every single word that comes out of that mouth of yours are all lies. I will skin you alive, I repeat, unless you tell me who sent you to kill my father.
Who?
My brother. It's obviously Janike. You're here protecting him. You're working for Janike, right?
No, my princess. I am not working for anyone. I am not working for your brother. I can swear to you by that. I promise, my princess, I am not working for your brother.
What is going on here? Why are you torturing him? Please,
Who are you to to walk in here like a fool and command me on what not to do and what to do.
Dore, you're pushing me. You are pushing me so badly. Release the chef.
What if I tell you that that isn't gonna happen?
You think you will someday become a queen and rule this kingdom? It will never happen.
It's okay. Jamike, but I will do whatever it takes to protect my father. Whatever. The king shall live long.
Yes. Our father the king will live longer than me to say that. Now release the chef.
I have my eyes on you. Always on you.
Your evil eyes. What did you do?
My prince, your mother, Her Majesty, she had a dream that I killed the king, His Majesty, and attacked her in the dream. That is what led to this. Yes, my prince.
Your Majesty.
Chef Patrick.
Your Majesty, sir.
Thank you so much. Why are you looking so tensed? What is the matter?
I'm fine, Your Majesty.
No, Patrick. You know I know you too well. You can't lie to your king.
Well, Your Majesty, I am not lying. I am perfectly alright.
I see. No need to argue over that. I was using my instinct. But you seems not too alright.
Well, Your Majesty, I can assure you, your humble Chef Patrick is perfectly fine.
Patrick.
Your Majesty.
Patrick, you know I know my son wants to kill me. I know too well. And you are working for him. Am I right?
Your Majesty, I work only for you and not your son.
Why do you sound like who is ready to do anything to betray me? You have changed, Patrick. What did you put in my drink, you bastard?
Well, like you said, Your Majesty, I have changed. You cannot continue to sit on a throne that does not belong to you. I am in this palace working to make sure that you die. And die you must, Your Majesty. Your Majesty!
My king! I don't know what's wrong with him. My king! I don't know. What did you do to him? Nothing. He was coughing. My king! What happened? My king, talk to me. What happened to you?
Highest enemy we have in this royal household is Tifoke. Yes, you are very correct, Tifoke. And we must be very, very careful. This royal family must, I repeat, must be checkmated and safeguarded at all points in time.
Yes. Chief Okeke is speaking the truth. Oh. We must not leave anything for granted at all. We must not.
Land. Please tell my sister over here to kindly release the chef.
The chef deserves to die.
On what ground?
On the ground that you have poisoned his man. He is your tool and you must confess to why he decides to kill father.
You're crazy.
You are the crazy one.
Mad.
You are the madman, Johnny K.
I did not want to kill my father. Why would I think towards that? My elders. My sister is seriously fighting me. This girl is fighting me.
Shut up. Johnny K, shut your mouth and stop talking like a child. As a matter of fact, you, Johnny K, is the real enemy.
Hurry. Why are you talking to your brother in such manner?
Truth is always bitter, but I will speak it.
But you heard when the man said that our number one enemy is Chief Okeke. Why are you being stupid?
You have no idea what you can do. You're sick.
You're just mad.
Oh, God.
Hey, enough. Now listen. Do not ever dare to insult my daughter already. Yes.
Father, why are you all having this notion? Why are you having this notion? It's making me go crazy. What is going on?
It's because you've decided to marry the daughter of a king amongst all the princesses in the whole world. Yes. Can one marry who will kill him?
I do not share in your opinion on what you all tag as hate or love. Yes, I'm in love with Chief Okehi's daughter, but that doesn't mean I'll kill my own father. Why would I do that?
The chef will leave. I have ordered for an international chef with security instinct. He detects criminalities and opposed to it. Okay, wants to use you, my son, to get at me. But the throne will not go down to his generation, I promise him.
Nah, this is crazy. I can't believe all of you right now. I can't just believe all of you.
Johnny K, that woman doesn't love you. You and I know that. Everybody knows that as well.
But I love her.
Who cares?
Hurricane, don't let me lay cause grief. You have time to retrace your steps. Else I will consider you a stranger in this palace. I have spoken and this meeting is dismissed. You
see you.
Get out.
I will let you. Relax, Anna. Just relax. But relax, Anna.
Go get sense.
I swear. Okay, for okay.
Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fight so much. Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fight so much. If it's not love, it might be that. Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fight so much. Two things fight so
much.
Yes! Come here, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, my son.
See how beautiful you are.
Yes, you are handsome too. You remind me so much of your father.
I know, right?
Welcome. I miss you. I miss you too. Come here, come inside.
It's so good to have you. Go in, let me get your bag.
Okay, darling.
to cry. Remember, regret and shame follows every evil actions.
My dear friend, you will like this chef. He came highly recommended. I mean, he is a very good cook. Aside that, he was equally trained on security matters. That is why I am personally recommending him to this royal household.
My utmost concern is my husband's health and security.
Excellent.
Nothing more.
You see, Ugodike, in a situation like this, change of staff becomes inevitable. Professional ones at that.
I understand, my dear friend. You see, I will always thank you for being by my side.
Ozurumbadike, you are my friend, and we will continue to be friends.
Thank you.
And Ugodike, yes. Thank you so much. The gods used you to avert a big calamity that could have befallen this royal household.
I was thinking towards that direction too.
You know, their dreams, messages are passed. Who knows? I mean, who knows what could have happened to my good friend? That evil chef could have perfected his plans and executed it on my good friend here. But God forbid.
Absolutely right. That is why I have to relieve him of his duties. And I am lucky to have a very sensitive queen for a wife. Just that she will never admit that my son is part of my problem.
Why would you bring such matter here? We're not talking about that.
It is the basic truth. My son Jamike is working so hard to get me off the way. Chief Okenyi is using my son as a tool.
Ozurumbadike, ndị Igbo na-ekwukwu okwu sị mgbe ọbụla mmadụ tụwara onyinye ụjọ gbaba ọsọ na onye ahụ ama mgbabi ọsọ ahụ agbabi ihe ọ pụtara bụ na ọ bụ alụ. So please, my friend, I beg the two of you to handle this issue carefully. Please.
My son is not and will never be our enemy. That is what I consistently stand upon. Yes, he can never. How would he think about taking his father's life? Is it done?
You will not understand.
It's okay. It's okay. Ozurumbadike and Ugodike, I shall have a very long discussion with Jamike. Believe me, after that, there shall be a drastic change in character.
My son can be stubborn, yes, I know.
Well, if that would change anything about his motives towards me, that would be fine.
We are good.
I don't understand.
This came with the same. I am telling you.
What is happening? What is happening?
Let me tell you. Do you know that Chifoke is using our prince against his father?
Ichie, you are my very close friend. I will tell you this without fear. Kama is coming very seriously.
Coming upon who?
The palace, of course. Everyone knows how our Igwe became the king of Umueze kingdom. Unmerited. It is clear, very, very clear to everyone
I am only going to the palace to answer oh yes member. Just to pretend as if I am with them. Ichie, mark it somewhere. And save today's date. Kama is coming very seriously.
Ejiofor, my friend, I am not ignorant of what happened many years ago. You and I know that the family of the supposed king all died at the same time.
Ichie, shut up. Shut up, Mechikwano. Our Igwe killed all of them. Eh? Including the pregnant woman, the wife of the brother of Ndukwe, the chosen king of Umueze kingdom.
But it was rumored that some mysterious animals attacked, killed and ate all of them up while they were in their farm. Yes, I could still remember that we all battled those mysterious animals that wanted to chase all of us out of this kingdom.
Ichie, that is a fabricated story.
Eh?
The truth is, our king killed all of them. Eh? Including the pregnant woman of Ndukwe. From the face of the earth. Because he was so rich and very strong. And no one could withstand him. I am laughing at Chief Okehi. He thought he is dealing with an ordinary king. Our king is a demon himself. He can do anything to attain power. But let us fold our hands and watch the end.
But Ichie, these stories you are just narrating now,
yes,
I will warn you, and I will warn you sternly, never to say it anywhere to the hearing of another person. If you still want this your head to be resting on your neck.
Am I a fool? I will not even let my wife and children know about this ugly story. I will not.
I am telling you, because you are my good friend. And from here, I'm going to my house.
Okay.
You can go.
I will not. I will not. Thank you.
You see all these things you say. I didn't hear any.
Okay.
This is delicious, man. I'm happy we are to reopen your father's business.
Yeah.
This transportation company will become a legacy forever. Of course, Mama. Of course. And his crown.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
Why are you all looking at me as if you don't know what I mean? Son, don't dare tell me you want to break the promise you made to me on the phone. Mom, all my days, I have desired to make father proud. No man runs away from his responsibilities. No man.
Okay, now. You didn't come back here to fight the dreaded king. You are here for us to revamp our father's transportation company. HO Motors need to be up and doing right now, bro. That's the deal.
Isioma, we're going to do all that. Of course, we're going to revamp the father's business, of course. But I'm more focused on the crown.
But that is not the plan.
Oh, Isioma,
What are you doing? What are you saying? That's not the plan. Please don't say that again. Please. This is not even the time to discuss fighting such an evil king.
Oh, Isioma. No. Okay, tell me, Isioma. Tell me. When is the right time to talk about it? When? No, tell me, when is the time to talk about this? As far as I'm concerned, this is the right time to talk about this. Because I'm back.
Oh, Isioma.
Mom. You know, no man runs from his enemy forever.
This is serious.
If anything happens to your brother, I will hold you responsible.
Mommy, he tricked me. I didn't know that was his plan.
You heard me.
Mom, can't you believe me? I didn't do anything. I didn't know that's what he wanted to do.
If anything happens to my son, I will never forgive you.
Mom, why are you blaming me? That was...
Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fight so where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fight so if it's not love, it's
my friend Igwe Ozulumba.
Hilary, my friend. Good to see you. Welcome.
My elders, the prince of Umezana kingdom. Greetings, Igwe Ozulumbano of Umeze kingdom.
Igwe, you are welcome to my kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Yes, and
I greet you, my elder.
You're welcome. Welcome to our land.
my son, Jamike.
Oh, greetings.
Royal Chef, forgive me your love. My heart they beats for you. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. Royal Chef, Madame Obima. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. You are good and handsome. Now you I want you. I'm not here for pleasure.
Well, my daughter is not here right now, but you will meet with her. And my wife too, Ugodike.
Great.
Well, let's go inside.
All right, Your Highness.
Can't you see? You be my choice, yo. You be my spec, yo. Anything you want, yo, I give up for you. Just say yes to me.
Hi. I pity Chef Patrick. But you dare not say it though. My crush.
You want to die? Princess Ore will skin you alive. Or better call you a syndicate. Just keep your pity to yourself, oh. Please.
But girls, how can someone be punished of what he knows nothing about?
I don't know. Dream. If you have a dream
that I killed you and you came out in real life to attack me.
Come on, it's crazy.
My dear, anything can happen. This is Africa. Besides, the palace is rated as the most secured palace in the 12th kingdom that made up Umezichi. But as we all know that, we are the brick of it. Anything you say or do right now would definitely put you in trouble. Especially now that even the king is suspecting his son.
Ola, you are not far from the truth. Girls, we must be careful. I mean, we must be very, very careful in this palace. I mean, if His Majesty will suspect his own son and point an accusing finger on him, it means we are not even safe.
At all.
We are not safe. We are even victims as well.
I will miss him.
I will truly miss Chef Patrick. But to come to think of this, Chef Patrick does not deserve such torture and maltreatment. I do not think he is guilty of this. I really do not think so.
Well, as your lover, we all know that. But please, for the sake of being accused of being his partner, do not even say it to the hearing of the princess, or even to the king himself.
Yes, Chioma, a wise advice. A wise advice that I implore you to take. And keep your opinion about the chef to yourself. He is gone. Yes, he is gone. But life goes on. Or do you want to leave the palace?
Leave where?
I thought as much.
My sister. Why are you badging like this?
Jesus Christ.
What is it?
What is it?
The new chef, my sisters.
The new chef is already in this palace and we're not aware. New chef.
When did he arrive?
Talk now. Jesus Christ. My sisters. This chef is so beautiful. He is not just handsome, but beautiful like a woman. Hi. Jesus Christ. Hi. Hey. Rima, are you serious? My sister, more than serious. Immediately I saw this chef, I cannot say him like this. My body was vibrating. No. Hi.
Yeah. This is the royal kitchen, as you can see.
Yes. Wow. This kitchen is actually well equipped.
Thank you. If there's anything you will need, check out the kitchen. Do not hesitate to tell us anything that would suit your standard.
I think the basics are all here, but if there's any other thing I would need, I'll sure let the palace know.
Very well then. I'm going to take you to the storeroom where we have varieties of food stuff. Then we will keep you in the know of African food.
Oh, great.
Good.
Right.
Let's proceed.
Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? 'Cause
shocked, my sisters. Are you shocked? This chef is so handsome. Hi.
Are you serious?
Very serious, Ochima.
Very handsome.
Hi.
Hey! I've gotten a boyfriend. Congratulations to me. So, he's handsome, tall, and has beards. Forget it.
Class Morgan, you're a fool. You're a very big fool. Thank God you girls are not working in the kitchen.
Look at this one. Look at you. See, don't even think you continue being the kitchen assistant. Don't even think. See, this time around, it will be rotating. Yeah, to be rotating from here to here. Just be fooling yourself.
Put that side. Come out from that side. It will not happen. I will always be the kitchen assistant. And you will do nothing about it. I shall always be around the chef. And I will always look and admire his elegance and breathtaking stature. Oh God, I just can't wait to return back to the kitchen and be with the sweet and wonderful chef.
Well, let me use towel and go and see this new chef that you are seeing. Because me, I'm already falling. I shall know. I am coming. I can't be imagining all of these things in my head. Why the chef is already in the palace?
Even you.
You what? Even you what? Who doesn't like fine guys? I better shift.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me go and see the new chef too. Shift your leg. So all of you, okay, when you jam Princess Ore, you will know yourselves. Wait. Did I just expose something to those idiots and they just left me? Hi.
Do not hesitate to relate whatever you want in this palace, okay? This is just like your second home.
Thank you, Your Highness. I will do as you have said. I'm already feeling at home in the palace.
That's how we welcome people in this palace. But yours is quite different because you're just like part of us.
Yeah. Once again, I'm honored, my queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
There is an official car for you, Mr. Williams.
What?
You can use it to run errands whenever you run out of food stuff in the kitchen.
Thank you so much, my princess.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my queen. I already promised the king I'm going to be of good conduct in this palace and serve this royal household with my optimum capacity.
That's nice. Well, you're welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
You may now go back to your duty post.
Oh, thank you, my queen. Thank you, my princess.
Feel free.
I hope I am allowed to say that this young man is cute and I like him.
You.
Handsome. That is what they said. But not more handsome than the prince.
Yes, my prince.
Do you believe that?
No, he can't be more handsome than you, my prince. It's not possible.
That is why I like you. That is why I like you being around me. You are the only person that understands me. This palace. If I ever see that any of you girls suffocate that person. No! I will kill you. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my princess. Yes, my princess.
Now, come and feed your praise with more lies. Now, feed your praise with more lies. Come on. Just come and feed me with more lies. Where are you, bitch?
Okay, nah. You can't do this. Mom has been sobbing. This is not the plan.
Look, I'm not going to die, okay? You know why? Because I've got this all planned out. It's some of those that murdered our father. Because of the royalty that rightfully belongs to us, we face the wrath. Yes, they will. It's some of you and I are supposed to be the prince and princess of this land. But we ran away because of a man. Huh? Now we are back. Educated, strong, wise. And you think getting back what rightfully belongs to us is a death mission? I don't think so. I'd rather die for it.
Okay, now. The reason why we came back is to revamp the transportation company. That's why we came back. Not to fight for the crown.
Exactly. Of course, we're going to revamp the business and also bring the crown back to this family, Sioma. I'm here for both.
Okay, now you are being stubborn. Mom is scared. I am scared. In fact, we are scared. You can't fight the king. You can't. Let the old wound heal. Stop scratching it. What is the crown compared to life?
Since I have no life without that crown.
Oh, come on. You have a life. You have us. You have your family. Think about us.
Exactly. Exactly, Isioma. Now you're starting to see the picture. You see? I'm doing this for us, Isioma. You know, I cannot even sleep. Because anytime I close my eyes, I see myself taking that crown away from that king. And bringing it back to this family. I'm pained. And this pain will not go away until I get that crown back to this family.
You know this, I'm just worried about Mom. She's not doing so well. She has been accusing me of plotting all this with you.
Then it's simple. Stay away from it.
Really?
Stay far away from this. Let me do this for the family. I already have an intel inside the palace.
What?
Yes. So you see, this mission have come to stay. Yes, and nothing must compromise it. Nothing.
Okay, are you serious? You have someone inside the palace. Okay, this has gotten out of hand. Okay, now you cannot do this. Okay, now.
Yes, I'm already started work on it. I told you. Yeah. The palace is fine, cool. Everything is okay. Yeah, work is good. I'm adjusting. Don't worry, when I'm done cooking, I will make a clip of it and send to you. Trust me. And I'll keep you updated, yeah. Alright, love. I'm very protected. Alright, love you. My princess.
Who was that?
My fiancée, she called to check up on me.
Making a love call while on duty is a total distraction.
I'm sorry about that. I promise to not let it distract me.
Please don't.
I promise.
My father needs a glass of fresh juice right now.
Okay, I'll get it right away. I'll deliver it.
Be fast about it.
Alright, my princess. Okay, yeah. Hi.
Hi. I'm Erima.
You're welcome.
Kitchen assistant.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What is it now? What is it? Here. Oh, okay.
Hi, Chef Williams.
What's the name?
I'm Amaka.
Oh, Williams. You're welcome. Thank you.
My princess, pass me the banana. Thank you. So, my friend, that was exactly how I won the contract.
What about your enemy? How did you handle him?
I sent the boys after him. You know how we do this thing?
Yes,
no stone unturned.
So yummy.
Thank
I
you, Your
must
Majesty.
comment.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
I know the chef I brought to my friend. A special one from the United Kingdom.
It is so great. I appreciate it.
Don't mention it. Ugodike.
I'm still wondering how on earth someone like this would choose a career like chef. Cooking and smelling spices. This is also giri. It's hilarious what people study abroad.
Will you shut up?
And I'm still wondering why a crown prince like you would be going about carrying a dagger on your waist.
Dagger?
How did you know that?
Excuse me, Your Majesty.
How did you? Hey. Seize him and lock him up. Stay away from me! Take him away! Stay away from me! Don't touch me! Seize him! I said, don't touch me!
Off the dagger,
I said, don't touch me!
Give me the dagger!
Give it to me!
Where is it? Take him away! Lock him up!
Don't! Take him! Don't touch me!
Who will ever believe that my son will want to kill me? He wants to kill me for he to take over my throne. Can you imagine? Dagger?
But how? How did he get to know that Jamike has a dagger with him?
I trust William. He has a very high instinct when it comes to detecting danger.
Mother, I am a prince. Father needs to understand that. He cannot humiliate me like commoner.
Oh, will you shut that thing you call mouth? What is your problem? What were you doing at the dining with a dagger? Look at what you're doing to yourself. I was busy protecting and siding you, not knowing that you have ulterior motive. Jamike, why can't you wait for your own time? Why can't you wait? We will all die someday and you will have the crown to eat, drink and sleep with. What is your problem? Must you shed blood?
Mother, I'm not a fool. I'm not a fool to have think or assume of killing my own father because of his crown or throne. I'm not a fool, Mother. Ore wants to kill me. She wants to end my life all because she believes that I want to end Father's life. Can't you think that, Mother? What? Mother, you and I know that Ore can be very unpredictable. She's a demon. Ore is a demon. She smokes anything and she can do anything at any slightest chance. So I have to move with something. I have to guard myself so it can stay away from me.
You must be mad. You must be mad. You must be mad, you evil child.
Oh.
You want to kill me and your sister.
Father, I'm in love with
Shut up. Jamike, you cannot kill me. Instead, I will be the one who will kill you. You want to bet on that and say who wins?
I'll fucking bet you!
You hear from me. Nonsense. You will hear from me.
I will hear nothing! But I will hear nothing!
Jamike, look at you! You're just like a common criminal.
The chef is the common criminal. Then go and tell your husband to come and release this nonsense. Go and tell him now.
I should go and tell him to release you, right? So you go with a gun this time. I will do no such thing.
Get out! I said get out! Get out! I said get out! Get out! Get out! All of you should get out! Mad people! Mad people! Just get out!
I said again, unlock your phone.
I'm sorry, my princess, but this is my privacy. My phone is my privacy.
Do you know that I am a princess? The first most beautiful, adorable, irresistible and charming princess of the 12th kingdom. Do you have an idea what that means?
I know that, my princess, and I respect you, and I humble myself before you.
Then I command you to unlock your phone.
No, my phone is my privacy. I can unlock it.
You know, you really shocked me today. I must say that was quite impressive. But why do I feel jealous already that you refuse to unlock your phone?
Sorry, my princess. His Majesty wants to see the chef in his chamber. Get out. Okay, my princess.
My princess, I need to see the king.
You leave when I want you to. As long as you are in this palace, your body, soul, spirit, and everything you have belongs to me. Kiss your fiancé goodbye.
And he has proven to be what I was told of him. And I am really impressed. He will be traveling with me around the globe as not just a professional chef, but also as my personal guide. So I have spoken.
arụsị agba ọta efe ala a na-agba ka anwụ kalịsịa arụsị agba ọta efe ọtọtọ ikpu ụmụ okorobịa na-atụ egwu mmago ara a na-agba ka anwụ.
You cannot subject everyone to bow to your feet.
I have refused to be your subject. The throne is not your destiny. Not everyone will bow to your words. A commoner like you cannot pass a decree before kings and queens, even before and after you.
Who authorized you to step your feet into my father's compound? It's been long you stepped your feet into this compound.
That is to tell you that calamity has come. For he who holds what belongs to a child and raises his hands up will someday bring those hands down when those hands has gone weary. Ozurumba Dike, no amount of kindness and good words will avert calamity from befalling your family. For he who killeth by sword will someday die by that same sword. And if I were you, I will relinquish the throne.
Father, this woman is freaking me out right now.
We exercise freedom of speech in this palace. Allow her to vomit all the nonsense she has in mind.
He who fetched an ant-infested firewood shouldn't be surprised when the lizard comes to pay him a visit in his abode.
Mirioma, let mother respect the throne of whom is the kingdom. Do not let me think you never suckled the breast of your mother.
From my mother's breast I suckle, and my father's loins I breathe. Okay. You elders has refused to tell him the truth. Okay. Pain and agony shall be the order of your day. That truth you've refused to speak forth shall be your doom. And when that time comes, the sun will shine.
Father, I am ready to beat this woman right now if she doesn't leave this palace.
Princess Ore, and yet you are scared of Jamike. If I were you, I will not be scared of me. No! Rather, I will be scared of those whose destiny it is to eliminate you and your family.
One more word from you, Miriam. I will slit your throat.
The sun will shine. It will shine. The sun will shine. And I shall watch you all burn. Ozurumba Dike, the sun shall rise. And no amount of darkness will cover it.
Father, you should have allowed me beat up that woman.
She is not a threat.
If the mother can leave us, she will live for His Majesty.
The gods are with me. Yes. You know, I'm out to get my late father's crown back to this family. Yes. My sister, she's taking care of the company. You know, I don't need any distraction because I'm out for this mission. The king, I'm not afraid of anybody. I'm not afraid of anybody.
You should be afraid.
I will call you back. Thank you.
Yes. You should be afraid of the man in particular you just mentioned his name. The second, you shouldn't dare dip your feet, son.
Mom, I'm not afraid. Yes.
Okay, now, please. Please, my son, consider me. Consider your aging mother. You are everything I have, my only son. Please, consider me and back off. Back off, please. Please.
Dad once said, an African man is never afraid of death. Never. Your son is going to feast with the lion in the lion's den, dead or alive. Mom, your son is out to do the unthinkable.
Okay, I have seen it now. You want to kill me? Yes, that's your plan. Go ahead. Okay, now go ahead and finish me. Kill me. I have seen that is your plan. Since you don't want to listen to your mother, go ahead. Go ahead and kill me.
What are you talking about, Mom? Huh? What are you talking about? I'm not going to kill you. Why will I? Why will I kill you? Mom, why can't you see the bigger picture here? Why? You are supposed to be the queen of this land. I'm supposed to be the prince. Isioma is supposed to be the princess of this land. I'm out to get that crown back to this family, Mom.
And I've just told you that I'm not interested in becoming the queen. I don't need it. Okay, now. I think it's time for me to call my brother to talk sense into your head. I want your father to leave this battle. He refused. Now where is he? Tell me. Where is your father? Okay, now. I trained you people all by myself, single-handedly. I gave you and your sister everything you need in life. Why don't you listen to your mother? Why don't you listen to me and back off? We don't need this. I don't want to lose you again now, please. Please, my son.
Dad must have felt for me to succeed. And note this, Mom. Uncle is not going to talk me out of this. Nobody will. Because I'm enraged. Mom, I'm enraged and I'm not going to rest until that crown comes to this family. I'm not.
Hey. Is this how I'm going to lose my only son? Is this how I'm going to lose again? Don't you get that close to me! Don't! Hey, I'm finished.
Mom, I am trying. I am trying so hard to talk him out of this. But you know your son, you know how stubborn he is.
I don't know anymore. I don't know any of you anymore. I don't know anybody. Is your mom been talking to your brother? He doesn't want to listen to me. I'm going to lose him. Is your mom, we are going to lose your brother.
We're not going to lose him. Nothing will happen to him. I assure you, Mom. Stop crying. You know your BP will start rising again. Stop crying. Okay? I will do something about it. Stop crying, please.
Please, Mom, stop.
I don't want to lose my only son.
You will not.
Only son.
You will not.
Everything I
You will not, Mom. Please stop.
Back to your brother, please. Let him back off. Let him leave kingship. Oh, I don't want to be a queen. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need the crowd. We don't need it. We are fine like this.
No, Mommy. He will listen.
They will kill my son. They will finish
Nobody
my
will
son.
kill him. Nothing will happen to him. I assure you.
Somebody will kill your
They
brother.
will not. Nothing will happen to him. Mom, it's okay now. You know your BP now will start rising.
Iche, when I tell you that karma has come, you thought I was blabbing. You had what Miriama just said. I am not going to that palace again. Why? When they ask of me in the palace, tell them that I have gone to the US just to visit my daughter who just put to bed. Why are you laughing?
But Iche, where will your wife be? At home? Why you go to US for Mugo?
Iche, I don't care. Just tell them anything, just anything. Yala. Just tell them anything.
Iche, calm down. Don't be scared. This battle is not yours. It's not ours.
Look at this one. Oh. Have you not gone to separate a fight? And you end up with broken head? This is a fight between the gods and the kings. There's nothing hidden under the sun. If you drop a seed on the ground and it gets up and becomes a plant, it means nothing is hidden under the sun. I have said my own.
But Ichie, the way Ichie Okeke summons courage to speak, it baffles me.
Wait. Forget about Okeke. Forget him. Think about yourself. Don't you know that they belong to the same secret court?
Ichie, I didn't hear this one.
You started again. You started again.
I'm not with you with it. I'm going home.
Why are you saying going home again? Ichie!
Royal Chef, forgive me your love. My heart they beat for you. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. Royal Chef, Madame Obima. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. You are good and handsome. Now you I want you. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. Can't you see? You be my choice, yo. You be my kind, yo. Anything you want, yo, I do one for you. Can't you see? You be my choice, yo. You be my spec, yo. Anything you want, yo, I give one for you. Just say yes to me, handsome. I go change your world. Just say yes to me, handsome. Just say yes to me, handsome. I go change your world. Just say yes to me, handsome. Royal Chef, forgive me your love. My heart they beat for you. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. Royal Chef, Madame Obima. Ichim Nollywood. I'm not
here. Jesus. Auntie, you were busy having fun in your dream. Okay? You were busy having fun in your dream. You were enjoying yourself in your dream. Sorry, please. You're sorry for what?
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Sorry for what? I'm asking you, what are you sorry for? I don't blame you. At all. Now listen, all of you. Henceforth,
I don't want to see any of you in that kitchen. What did I say? What did I say?
You don't want to see any of us in that kitchen.
Good, you heard me right. If I ever catch any of you in that kitchen, you will regret the day you stepped your feet into this palace as a maiden. Do you understand it now? Yes, especially you. I don't want to see you not only in the kitchen, but in the living room, at the dining room, in the kitchen. In fact, if I have my way, I will kick you out of this palace without anybody knowing it. Fool. Just enjoy Williams only in your dream. Only in your dream. Makoman Putife. And no fear.
Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things find.
What was that thing you were doing? She was obviously making out with Chiedozie in her dream. I hope it's done for the chef. I hope it's done for my chef. Oh. Now, all of you are mad. All of you are stupid.
Count me out. Count me out.
What? But wait though. Why would she command us not to come close to the kitchen again?
So you don't rape the chef? Rape.
Yes.
Girls. Oh. I even heard she employed Ejike to be the kitchen assistant.
Yes, who? I heard. In this palace. What? In this palace, anybody can do anything, no? Hey, now wow! From a palace guard to a kitchen assistant, even to a male guard.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes, so girls. Okay. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Girls, if you ask me, I think the princess, she's in love. And she's already feeling insecure.
And if you ask me, I will tell you that chef, what I'm gonna like wine.
Wait. Tababiko. Or they are making me. You already vouching for him, oh.
Yes, now I've observed him. Maybe go me observe.
Observe, yeah? Madam Observer.
Madam Observer.
Sinne, it's very early to say what you're saying right now.
Well, with time, we'll get to know if it's true
or not.
Because, remember, I'm too fine. The chef was definitely like me.
No problem. But in the meantime, people should tell her. Afuzinianalo.
I'm not here for pleasure, I am here for business. You are good and handsome, now you I want you. I'm not here for pleasure, I am here for business. Can't you see, you be my choice, you be my kind, anything you want, I do one for you. Can't you see, you be my choice, you be my spec, anything you want, I give up for you. Just say yes to me, handsome. I go change your world. Just say yes to me, handsome. Just say yes to me, handsome. I go change your world. Just say yes.
What is it? Sorry, cover your eyes. What are you doing? Come on! Face what you are doing! Something inside your eyes and you are trying to kiss someone. What is wrong with you? I knew nothing was wrong with you.
Royal Chef, give me your love. My heart beats for you. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. Royal Chef, Madame Obima.
Don't look me that bombastic like that.
I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. You are good and handsome.
This idiotic princess. How can she ban me from entering the kitchen? My job is to assist the chef. What sort of nonsense is this? She wants to own the chef or what? I know she likes the chef. Very hopeless and stupid girl. God, I wish the chef would just look my way. Hey, my head though. I thought it was real. God will punish that princess. God will punish her. Fool, idiot, Winsu.
Royal chef, forgive me your love. My heart they beat for you. I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. Royal chef, Madame Obima. I'm not here for pleasure. I am
You're not
here
sleeping.
for business. You are good and handsome.
Wait though. Don't tell me you're thinking about the chef.
Don't even dare. Because I'm thinking of him too.
The truth is, you and I are restricted from entering the kitchen. At least, I've seen him, touched him. So what have you done?
I will make love to him, which you dare not. I will prove to you that he's in this palace because of me.
You have such nerves, my sister. You have such nerves. I don't think you can stand this shadow. You can't.
Okay. We shall see.
I'm not here for pleasure. I am here for business. Royal chef, Madame Obima. I'm not here for Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fancy. Where do you want to hide?
Why is Miriam still breathing? I thought you went out there to send her to her ancestors. I said you are here chasing the chef.
As you wish, Father.
Not as I wish. Go out there, do the needful, and return home.
Yes, Father.
Wait. Let me have the phone.
What phone, Father?
Let me have the phone. Hooray. The chef is not a loose chef. He knows what he came here to do. Take off your eyes from him and focus on trashing out our enemies and not the chef.
I am doing that, Father. I am doing exactly that. Are you not going to stop me from having chef or no chef? Are you?
Do exactly what I asked you to do. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Father.
Do I make myself clear?
I want this young man. He just can't disobey me.
Hooray. You are becoming so powerful and stubborn, unlike your foolish brother. And that is why I love you, my fearless daughter.
Where do you want to hide? How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fight. If it's not love, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows what tomorrow may be. So don't use your position to intimidate others.
Please make it. Please help me. Please, my king, please.
Uncle, I have my plans. Taking care of my father's business might be the reason why I'm back to Nigeria. But I'm also determined to bring back the crown back to this family.
Yes, you need to. But not by endangering your life.
Uncle, life itself is dangerous. Yes, a man can sleep and not wake up the next day. So, why should I be afraid of death?
There are risks that are not necessary.
We all know what you want, and you definitely get it. But when a lion gets old, it cannot regain its strength again. And that is when the baby animals will crawl their way over. That is why I'm telling you that all we need is patience.
Patience is what I don't have, Uncle. What's the essence of being patient when a man is going to crown his son king after his reign? What kind of patience is that? Huh? I am determined to take that crown. Isioma here is taking care of the business, and she's doing well lately, Uncle. Just let me take care of this as a man.
I understand all you are saying, but not this way.
It's obvious he wants to kill our mother. He wants our mother to die.
How?
What do you mean how? You know she cannot live to see you fight a dangerous king. Don't you understand?
I don't see a man who is dangerous as me, because I'm desperate to get this crown back to this family, Isioma. Yes. I don't want mom dead. I don't. I only want to restore what rightfully belongs to us. Uncle, you know what I'm talking about.
I understand all you are saying, but as I've told you, it's not like this.
We have tried the legal way, but it's not working. So, it's high time I take the bull by the horn. Period.
You have to think before you do anything that you have to do. As they say, a word is enough for the wise.
I know, Uncle. I know. Thank you very much.
The war between your father and my father, the king of this kingdom, is none of my business. I don't care about it. All I know is that I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
You don't love me. Jamika, you sleep around with all the maidens in the palace. You get drunk, get intoxicated with all the intakes, and here you stand talking to me about love? Really?
The heart still truly knows where it belongs. I love you, Adugo, and I'm not stopping. Please don't go back to London, babe. Come on. Spend some time with me. I want to prove to you how much I love you.
No, you do not love me. How can you even say you love me? How can you tell me about love when you're not ready to quit the life that you live? Jamike, you can't stop doing drugs. You can't stop molesting those ladies. You can't even stop. You can't stop anything. How can you even stand here and talk to me about you loving me?
But babe, come on. You know I'm a prince. I'm a crown prince. Can't you see? What people a crown prince? Do you know who I am? Do you know my name? Prince Jamike. Prince Da. There's no two ways about it. I have to be naughty and crooked. That's what's up.
Really?
Oh yes.
That's what's up. What does that even make you? Being a prince? Oh, it makes you superior over others? Jamika, does you being a prince entails you sleeping around, molesting innocent women, and then forcing somebody to love you?
Adugo, the fact remains that I love you. Yes, I love you. I'll give you the whole world. I'll give you the whole universe right in your hands. Yes, I will do it. I will do everything I promise you. Babe, look at me. Just look at me. Please don't break my heart.
Oh, okay. If you want to be with me and you don't want me to leave, then you need to prove to me that you love me.
I will do anything.
You will?
Yes, Jamike will do anything to prove my love for you. Just name it.
You will do anything?
Yes.
Anything? Kill your father, the king? Yes! Only then will I know that you love me.
Adugo, are you doing talking?
Yes.
Adugo, I should kill my own father.
You just said you love me and you're willing to do anything.
Why will I kill my own father?
Why won't you? Jamike, you and I know that your father is all shades of evil. He took what doesn't belong to him. Are you going to stand here and pretend you do not know all that?
But I was told that my...
Don't forget what they told you, for crying out loud. You are not a kid anymore.
Do I have to kill my own father?
Yes. Because that is what I want. And if you say you love me, you will do that to win my heart.
No, you don't prove love by killing someone.
Then you don't stand here talking to me about love. If
if you cannot do the one thing that I want?
What kept you long, you bitch?
I'm sorry, my prince.
You said my sister is planning to kill me.
Yes, my prince. She has a gun on her waist. My prince, she thinks you want to kill your father and she plans to attack you.
How did you know?
Through observations and revelation. My prince, if you doubt me, just check it out. Ezewan is dead. She killed her.
Ezewan?
Yes, my prince.
The beautiful one. That fine babe. Alright, killed her?
Straight up, my prince, she did.
Oh! Oh! The ghost, where are you? Where are you, the ghost? Come and take Ore out of this world. She's so cruel like her father. She's so dangerous. So dangerous. She tries me. If Ore tells me, if she tries me, I'm a tiger and I will kill her. I swear. Do it. Do it. After this, go and look for this key. Get me out of here. I'm a thief. After this, you go and look for all of this nonsense. Set me free. I'm not a thief. Do it. He's going. He's going. He's going. He's going. He's going. He's going.
You can't imprison our son like that. He is a prince.
I did not imprison him.
But you ordered him to be arrested. And now he's in chains.
He's trying to kill me.
Your son is not the enemy. Chief Oke, he is the enemy. He wants your crown badly. And he has some elders working for him. He is the enemy and not our son.
Woman, he who died, and one with my enemy is an enemy. Your son has vowed to betray me by going after the daughter of my enemy. Chief Oke is using my son against me. I trust my daughter. He has to go to her first.
My son is only scared of Ore. We need to unite them. They need to be best of friends, like blood and water in the vein. He was only trying to scare his sister from danger. Release him.
Your son, our son, must return to his senses. Yes, we are families. Family stays together. They fight together in the case of adversaries. But my son has allowed himself to be used against me by my enemy. I am regretting giving birth to him.
If you had shown him the love, affection, care and attention that you always show to Ore, he wouldn't have think you hated him. Please. You divided these children. And you made him weak and the sister stronger.
Come on, woman. Stop this nonsense. Ori can never be a king. Chamike succeeds the father. Now tell me, can a son war against his father? But he has decided to join forces with my enemy without knowing that he will end in doom.
Please release him. I will have a long talk with him. Please, I beg of you.
I am done talking about him.
Miriama is no more father.
Say. What did you say? She's no more. Now tell me, what do you want me to do for you? Anything, just say it. I will do it. This news gladdened my heart. Ah! My brave daughter. Say anything you want, just say it, I will do it for you.
This is all I want, Father.
His Majesty will have you tonight.
Look, I'm not disposed.
Why?
Oh, my messes.
You know that's not an excuse. Go and clean up yourself.
Boy.
Do you want to disobey the king's order? Then go. Wait. You should understand that we are only following the king's order. I understand you very well. But you should know that we have no power to stop anything. Please.
Oh, Rebecca. I understand.
Okay. Are you set? Please, just be at the pen.
I will. Don't worry about me.
It's all right.
You're stealing my sleep. I want you to bow before me. Now.
Hey, wait, am I your modern slave? Are you my slave master?
Do as I say. What a humble chap. But not too humble to say that I want him so badly.
If I give you this phone, it doesn't mean that you are a victor over me.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows what tomorrow may be. So don't use your position to intimidate others. Don't make them to cry. Regret, shame follows every evil action.
Is this why they requested for my service?
How do you feel?
Holo.
When you see them?
Holo da.
How do you feel?
Oh, wait, ma.
I wish I can kill this evil king. I wish I can take his life and damn the consequences. What a heartless beast. I know someday, just someday, people like you will rot in hell. Just someday.
Did you utter a word?
No, I did not.
One day, always be careful to avoid hard I know.
Someone is stealing my sleep.
How do you want to cover it? Cause in this life, two things fight
You should be in a better position to know where your husband is. So why ask me?
He did not sleep with me last night. Ore, you and I know that your father has been sleeping with all the maidens in this palace. He has a special room where he takes them to. As you can see, I am no longer bothered about that. I want you to talk to your father. There is an enemy. After all, he is the king. Tell him whatever he is doing, since he has refused to listen to me. Tell him never to leave the four walls of this palace.
Mother, I
am still talking. Tell him, whatever he pleases to do, let it be within this palace. If you should do anything outside this palace, you cannot wage these people. You are not brave enough to stop them. This palace, the throne, will leave this family.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Mom.
Tell your father. In as much as he's doing everything he wants to do with these maidens, he shouldn't step out of this palace in the name of frolicking with the maidens.
Your husband is the one you should be talking to, woman, not me.
Hurry. Hurry, come back here. Who's there?
It's me, my queen.
Come in.
Greetings, my queen. Breakfast is served.
Where is the king?
Oh, he's at the dining already.
At the dining?
Yes, my queen.
Very well then. I will be right there.
Okay, my queen.
Why am I even bothered? If he likes, let him do whatever he wishes with all the maidens. I will do mine. Yes, I will do what makes me happy.
Now you I want you. I'm not here for pleasure.
Why are you stubborn?
Can't you see?
I am not, my princess. You're the one who is misunderstanding me.
Jeff Williams, tell me, what do you want? Just say it. Anything you want, I will do.
I've been working all day. I'm exhausted. I just want to go to bed. I want you to allow me sleep. That's all.
Not tonight. I want tonight to be a very memorable one for me. And I to make it happen.